What's going on, guys? I'm back with our next video today. I got a new spoiler for my car. The first one broke, but I still have it. It fell off. I'm trying to fix it, but I might put it back on because I like that one more. But I have a different design. I'm gonna open the boxes right here. Just got it. I've been waiting on it all day from FedEx. It's finally here. So I'm gonna do an unboxing, then I'll show you guys what it looks. Just open the box. This is it. Let's see how it looks. Guess the design. So this is it right here, new spoiler. New carbon fiber spoiler. Dang, this shit is nice. And these are mounts. Titanium. I was gonna go with carbon fiber mounts, but the company was saying it's not that strong and stable like these, so I went with these one. When I put it on, I'll show you guys what it looks. Finally putting back on my spoiler. Show it to M Dollar. Been like a year. I had this spoiler for one whole year before I put it on. Finally put it back on right now. Crazy. What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with another video. So recently I've been doing I have a lot of upgrades on my car. I just changed my wing to a different style wing, putting back on two new carbon fiber side skirt and a front lip. I also have coilovers that I'm putting on now. I'm Blessing B16. I'm about to go to the shop, put on my side skirt, and then tomorrow I'm gonna try to put on my side skirt and my front lip right now. Then tomorrow I might put on my coilovers. But everything is active in my car right now. I'm gonna start going to a little bit more car meets and cars and coffee from now on, but I'll catch you guys at the shop. Just made it to the shop, right? I had to put on one more sticker because you know everybody ripping right now. But I had one on my car, but I'm putting the next one right here. So you know I got my side skirt, my 3-piece front lip. I'm gonna put on some new badge too, and this is my coilovers. So we're gonna try to put them on right now, and we're just chilling right now. You know, I gotta show you. Merrick got a new car too, but I'll show you Malik's car. It's tough. So,
Mr. B58.
B58, shit clean. I ain't gonna lie.
Mr. B58 Instagram. His link is going. His tag. Look at
this one right here. Stock license plate for that shit tough. Yeah, it's tough, right? One stock gang card is tough, right? Shit crazy.
What you doing right now, bro?
Getting calls right now. Getting calls. Getting right.
Bro, getting busy right now.
Show you Merrick new car now. He got a crazy car. He just trying to be like us, you know. Doing some crazy upgrades too. I'm gonna let you guys take a guess in the comment and think what he's doing to me.
Yo, you see that side here? This side here? Ada. On this side there? Ada satu.
Selamat jalan.
Satu dah sana this.
You look on there and see, oh,
Twin.
Yeah, five cylinder this side there.
But no, I'm been to on half an engine. I look at you late, man. I've been doing this from day one. You never know that. Here. Yeah. The Merc joined the dark side, you know, the faster side too. Think of it. Yeah, you'll get an update whenever it's done. Alright, any answer about this? Whatever you did.
Stick shift. Shout out to the owner, man. Shout out to the owner.
Alright, so I didn't even know. This is the new Billistein V16 cover. This is the 01. I might have to do the mag ride delete on my car. I didn't realize we had it on it on the old suspension. But shout out to N-Track. Putting on my side skirt, the front lip right here. I already did the fronts. Same side right here. Crazy. Alright, this is what it looks like the car logo. I think it's at the same height still, but let's see. I'm gonna do my front lip and the next side skirt. Alright guys, so this is a new look. New front lip, new side skirt. The car is dirty right now, but new spoiler. Actually, I love the spoiler. I think at first I was saying I like the one I had before, but this one is way better. Looks sick. And a new rear diffuser. I also have new batch, but I haven't put them on yet. And the next thing I'm gonna do is change the color of the caliper. I'm either go with yellow or red, but I feel like I might do yellow. But this is the new look though, so everything else, my car is pretty much perfect right now. You know, I still need to do a storage tank, but I haven't done it yet. But no track it just like this.